You know how much it costs to climb Mount Everest? Well, upwards of 40 lakh rupees per person easily. And you need to take out 6 to 10 weeks in the summer to do it. Well, you end up paying about 10 lakhs to the Nepalese government for the permit, 10 lakhs worth of gear, 5 lakhs worth of oxygen, 5 lakhs to your Sherpa, and the person organizing it will take about 5 to 7 lakhs. About 800 people try and summit Everest every single year for the past few years, which means it's a 350 crore market. And an average mountaineering company would take about 5 to 7 people, which means they end up making about 40-50 lakhs just from this expedition. However, this is not even the most profitable expedition in the world. Most of these people for the rest of the year do summits like Kilimanjaro, which actually makes so much more money. In fact, Mount Everest is such an asset for Nepal that it contributes to about 10% to the Nepalese GDP every single year. Well, think about developing such assets in India based on natural resources while ensuring that they maintain their ecological balance and share it with someone who may need it.